In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT into Microsoft Word. This is a simple, straightforward walkthrough that shows you how to add the tool and use it to paraphrase text right inside your document so you can polish your writing without leaving Word. First, open Microsoft Word and make sure you're on the Home tab. Look for the Add-ins option and click it. From there, add the ChatGPT for MS Word add-in. Once it's added, you'll be able to access it directly within Word whenever you need it. If you already have it installed, you're ready to go. To use it, click the add-in you just added. This opens a panel where you'll interact with ChatGPT. For this tutorial, we'll focus on paraphrasing text to improve clarity or vary the wording. I've set up a copy of the original text on the right side of the screen so you can easily compare before and after, which is a useful way to see exactly what changed. Start by highlighting the part of your document you want to paraphrase. Be as precise as you can with your selection, since only the highlighted text will be updated. Now go to the ChatGPT for MS Word panel. In the prompt box, simply type the instruction paraphrase. When you're ready, click the Change Text button at the bottom. In a moment, you'll see the highlighted section update, showing a reworded version that keeps the meaning but changes the phrasing. Take a moment to read the result and make sure it matches your tone and intent. Paraphrasing is great for avoiding repetition, improving flow, or adapting text for different audiences, but it's always good to double check that the core message stays the same. If something doesn't feel quite right, you can undo the change or run it again. You can also highlight a different section and repeat the process as needed. A quick tip: shorter selections often produce more focused results, and clear instructions like paraphrase tend to keep things consistent. Also, be mindful of any sensitive or personal information in your document and avoid sending that to any tool unnecessarily. And that's it. You've seen how to add the ChatGPT for MS Word add-in, open it, highlight the text you want to adjust, type paraphrase, and apply the change with a single click. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.